Have you ever thought about how incredible the internet really is? There are millions of websites around the world connecting billions of people each and every single day. In our modern digital era, having a well-developed and designed online presence for your business is just as important as having a sign on the door or a listing in the yellow pages. Your digital presence is an extension of your company. It's the link to the online world and to the thousands of people searching for the services you provide and maybe even for your business every single day. It lets people know that you are there. When it comes time to develop a website, it can be a very daunting task. You have so many options and so many companies offering services to help create your digital presence, so where do you really start? At SeedSpark, we use WordPress, and that is the topic of today's podcast because we believe that WordPress is the best website builder in 2020, and it will continue to be so in the years to come. Our web development team trusts WordPress because of a variety of reasons, but first and foremost are the flexible plugins. From simple contact forms to entire online storefronts, WordPress has an entire marketplace of plugins that allow comprehensive customization of how your website works. From the design to the functionality, there are 50,000 plugins to help better connect with current and future clients. No matter the industry, sites built with WordPress are the foundation to a business and can be completely customized as your company continues to grow and evolve. Speaking of design customization, when a visitor comes to your site, the design is the first impression that a client has of your business. You wouldn't leave a messy storefront, so why would you have a poorly designed website? Just as you would keep that welcome mat swept and the windows clean on a brick and mortar store, it's essential to keep your website's digital design in top shape. Having a modern website design that fits the brand of your company showcases your business in a way that is inviting and welcoming to new clients. At the same time, it acts as a reminder to existing clients of how great of a partner they already have. While other platforms offer website customization, WordPress provides an additional level of depth that, when paired with the right front-end development team, such as that of ours at SeedSpark, you can create a truly unique online presence that's in line with the brand that your clients already know and love. Then we have search engine optimization. SEO has been a foundational part of promoting a business online for years, and it remains a top priority in 2020. WordPress builds a website foundation with SEO in mind, creating a website that is easily searched, understood, and cataloged by crawlers that identify relevant search results and display them to users on Google, Bing, Yahoo, and more search engines. By pairing a website built on WordPress with content that is optimized for SEO, your business is able to rank higher in search results and connect with clients that are on the hunt for the services that your team provides. And of course, we've all heard of blogs. Blogging has been around for decades, but it's much more than a daily celebrity diary or a collection of the best chip dips for this fall's tailgate. Sharing insights and providing value in the form of a blog enhances your brand's value, establishing the author and their company as thought leaders that others look to for advice and inspiration that drives the entire industry forward in the coming years. WordPress builds blogging into the DNA of each website for a branded, well-designed informational hub that allows you to tell your company's story, share information about your products and services, and of course provide insight into industry news on top of a variety of other subjects. The world is your oyster, as the saying goes. This drives visitors to your website as you create more content, and it generates more traffic, leading to a rise in SEO rank, and ultimately, it brings more eyes to your brand. And this would not be a web development or technology podcast without at least touching on the world of social media. This is a part of the core of our modern society. It connects friends and family. It brings people together from around the world over vast distances. And over the years, millions of users have chosen to follow and connect with the brands that they love. From small businesses to billion-dollar companies, people now have the opportunity to build a community around the brands that they love. WordPress easily links to your brand's social media, video hosting, and podcasting accounts to allow visitors to easily access the rest of your catalog of content that you have been hard at work creating. By building bridges to connect the separate parts of your content library, your visitors and clients will be able to easily connect with the posts, blogs, and other content you have created. It's through these routes that you are seen as the industry innovator that your company truly is, and you can become a thought leader in your space that is looked to for advice and, of course, for business opportunities. In short, WordPress is the ultimate web development platform. By providing the ability to create a unique website with a custom design and intuitive tools, WordPress allows our team at SeedSpark to develop the ideal website for each individual client. Promoting your business, creating content, and driving traffic is, simply put, simpler with WordPress. If you're interested in getting started, feel free to browse the SeedSpark website. We have plenty of case studies that showcase our past work, and you can get in touch with our creative and marketing team to learn more about the options available to you through a partnership with our team. We are glad to help you and cannot wait to find a solution that fits your needs and drives your company into the future. Thanks for taking time to check out this episode of SeedSpark Sessions. If you're new here and you enjoyed what you heard, be sure to subscribe on podcast services, or of course you can find the show on YouTube as well. Links to those pages and our social media channels will be down below, or you can always hit us up on the official SeedSpark website for more information on the topics we covered, or to learn more about the services we offer. But we look forward to seeing you on the next episode.